Hi friends, you're here. Welcome back to my channel. Food brings people together as a way to stay connected. Learn about a family member by cooking together, celebrate, learn about cultures, and provide comfort. People love food almost as much as they love each other. So together, they bring happiness and joy to all. I'm here to share my easy, saucy, sweet, and spicy chicken recipe that your family and friends can enjoy. Ingredients: 1/2 kilogram of chicken thigh, 6 cloves of garlic, 1/4 cup of calamanci, 1/8 cup of spicy ketchup of your choice, 1 teaspoon of tabasco, 1/8 cup of soy sauce, 1 spoon of vinegar, 1 spoon of oyster sauce, 2 spoons of honey or 2 spoons of sugar, or you can add both, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1/4 cup butter, 1 spoon of chopped scallion. Mix well the calamansi, garlic, soy sauce, vinegar, oyster sauce, salt, pepper, spicy ketchup, tabasco, sugar or honey or both, and marinate it for 1 hour. Put the marinated chicken in a pan. Put the butter and sear it for 2 minutes until golden brown. Add the marinade, then cook it for 20 to 25 minutes until meat is tender. You can add half cup of water to tone it down a little bit. Stir in between. Cook until the sauce is reduced. Garnish it with chopped scallion. Voila! Easy peasy. Transfer to a serving plate, then serve, share, and enjoy. There you have it. Here's our trivia for today. Did you know that the record number of eggs laid by the chicken in one day is 7? The record number of eggs laid by a chicken in 1 year is 371. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you all in my next video. Thanks for watching.